Welcome to Jigsaw. Jigsaw has a simple vision, an Australia where people with disability are fully included in the workforce. We all have a part to play as individuals who believe in ourselves, as businesses that drive social good, as inclusive employers. Your Jigsaw journey starts with Academy. Your training and work experience take place in a real workplace. We believe people prepare best for work through work. There are one-to-one sessions, group sessions, and online learning. You also start exploring your career options. You'll meet friends that will last a lifetime. The next step on your employment pathway is an award-wage contract working at Jigsaw. You'll build your confidence in a supported environment. Jigsaw works with you to showcase your abilities, career goals, and experience to employers and to prepare you for job applications and interviews. Jigsaw gets to know your employer first and make sure that they are well prepared and disability confident. When the time is right, Jigsaw will support you to transition to open employment. After you get a job, Jigsaw keeps in touch with you and makes sure you and your employer are supported to succeed. Come and get in on the action at Jigsaw.